Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, where we tell you not what to think. We don't tell you what to think. We just give you the facts of the case and let you do the rest. So, April 15th, here again, Presidential Executive Order Restoring Common Sense to Federal Procurement. Kind of an interesting thing here. I want to just start by saying that the government buys an absolutely unholy amount of goods and services. It's literally the largest buyer of goods and services that the world has ever seen, because the United States government is the largest entity or institution that has ever existed in written history. I don't want to, the ancient peeps may have something going on. I don't know. Talk to Graham Hancock. Okay. So 40 years ago, they instituted what's known as the FAR, the Federal Acquisition Regulation, which was supposed to, quote, deliver on a timely basis the best value product or service to the customer while maintaining the public's trust and fulfilling public policy objectives. So basically, it was just guidelines and regulations for the way the United States buys products and services. The current administration is basically saying that it has failed its mission completely. No holds barred. That's just what they're saying. They outline certain studies in the executive order that, quote, say the FAR is a barrier to rather than a prudent vehicle for doing business with the federal government. And they say that's because of over-regulation and over-complexity within the statutes and guidance that the FAR gives. This order basically lays out the plan to overhaul that FAR and streamline the process that it gives insight on. So basically, they're trying to overhaul it and deregulate it. So that's it. Have a good one.